Linda Hollington here. Just a quick reminder to get out and see those open houses. They are really building this. They're starting on the MLS, the multiple listing service that we use. There's going to be quite a few of them. There's one today for you ones that are looking beachside in Satellite Beach at 127 Lancha Circle. I'll put the address in the comments. It's from 1 to 5. Looks like a pretty good place for somebody. And there's going to be one February 17th at 3082 Rio Pinon. That's in Indialantic, and I'll put that address in for you as well. Get out and see these open houses. Have a look at the houses. Even if you're a seller, find out what your competition is. Just a reminder, get out there and look. Check the comments.